Yes, thank you. So use this device for your exercise is very effective to give you the shape that you want, and I'm going to walk you through how you can actually set the flexibility and the tension on the rope, how it works. Firstly, this is the device. Take it apart, turn it upside down. When you've done that, do you see this point and this point and this point and this point? Those are the areas you will use for the adjustment of the band. Okay, and when you adjust the band, you can either make the tension to be high or you reduce the tension depending on how convenient and comfortable you are. You see what I've done? Now I can start my workout. 1 2 1 2 1 2. You can see that. That's how I do my workout. Again, I want to readjust it again. I want to give it more tension, and that's what I'm trying to do right now. You can see how I adjusted it. Now it's all set for me now to begin again. I step on it. Now it's more tension right now, and that is it. Look at, here I go. 1 2 3, and I continue that way. Also, you can exercise in any position that you feel like. Right now I'm sitting, and here I go. Here I go. I'm sitting down and I'm doing this. Yes. So right now I want to adjust it again. So I'm going to make it to be more tension this time around. Put it at the third point. As you can see, so the tension is quite high right now. As I try to kneel down so that you can see how I'm using this fantastic device. Alright, I want to begin right now. Now let's go. 3, 4, 5. I'm feeling the tension Wow, it's really working my body out. So this is the way we work out with revuseexplain extreme. Do get yours. It's really going to help you in your exercise. There is no need again to go out, start working out. You can actually work out right inside your home, and you will achieve tremendous results. It's cheap and it goes for discounts.